Here I've got the Beyerdyanmic M160. This is a dynamic double ribbon microphone. Very excited to test this out, but first I need to unbox it. I've not opened this yet, so let me give you that experience, let you know what you can expect. Great, okay, so we get this travel case. Feels very good, feels very rigid and yet soft. It's got a couple zippers on it as well. I'm gonna open it up this way. And there is the microphone. It's awesome. Very good display. It's got nice rigid foam for it to sit into. It's much smaller than I thought it was gonna be. So in the pictures and stuff, I guess I expected it to kind of be like a large diaphragm condenser mic. There it is in my hand. And again, it is a ribbon mic, so you're going to want to be careful. There is a mic clip specifically for it. It's got Beyerdyanmic on the sides. And then it has the small thread adapter, which is always handy to have if you need it. I'm going to set the microphone to the side for a minute and see what else is in the box. A little pamphlet here, information about the microphone. Stuff on the M201, M88, so pretty much all the different Beyerdyanmic M series of microphones. You're going to see some product technical information about it. There's another pamphlet going over some of the ins and outs of the microphone. It's like the polar pattern and frequency response of each of the microphones. Last thing inside the box, looks like we've got a few stickers. Beyerdyanmic, if you can't see that very well, and then their logo. Then we've got this, it's like a frequency response test for the microphone. Looks pretty flat. Got some movement up at 1K and so forth. I don't get too technical with these, but that's nice to know that somebody that was making this microphone went through the trouble of testing it out, making sure that the frequency response was good. There you have it. So there's the unboxing of the M160 double ribbon microphone.